Hi everyone, good morning. Thanks for joining. So today our agenda is like it's an Oracle Fusion Financials a demo session. So myself, Bala Vijay, a trainer in the Cloud Finance Guru Institute. Okay, and I have 13 years of experience and currently working in the Oracle Fusion Financial as a project architecture. So I basically worked on the Fusion cloud based only implementation sides and support projects, all the modules. So before going to the demo session, okay, just I want to give you who are eligible. Okay, so eligibility we can have any degree. Okay, there is no restriction. You can see on the screen BA, BCom, BSc, BTech, MBA, MTech, MCom, Chartered Accountant, non-IT to IT. Okay, and the career gaps. Okay, low salary problems, layoffs, AI impact. So these are the things you are no need to worry. Everybody is eligible to start your career in the IT side. You can move your career. Okay. And moreover, before enrolling or before you start, so there is a one header, okay, where you see, go to top, you can see zero coding ERP software training. It is an Oracle Fusion Financial is one of the global product and it has a high demand in the global wise. Not a limited to any country, okay? Not a limited to the few countries. It is a global product and zero coding. I am stressing out. It is a more than 100%. You are not going to do any codings, zero coding, okay? And my inst our institute, I called as our, not my. So institute agenda, okay, why we have started this institute, what is our purpose, what is the uniqueness of the compared to any other trainings, okay, like cracking the job independently with my training and instructions to be followed strictly. If you are a dedicated person to crack your job independently without any dependency from anyone like interview support, job support, then you are in a right place that you will have the right training, like real time training you will have. Okay, so that you have to follow the instructions. Okay, this is the basic introduction about my institute or whatever we are going to start. Okay, now moreover, okay. Moreover, I think everybody is aware of the so many products, ERP applications. Okay. You have so many things. You can go to introduction I have completed. Let us talk about the what is an ERP application. Okay. Anybody knows what is an ERP application? Why we use the ERP application? No problem. ERP application. Okay. It is very, very useful. Now every organization, every company is in the cloud based ERP softwares. Okay, it is a cloud based. Okay, cloud based ERP software. So earlier, if you remember earlier, like 10 years or 15 years or 20 years back, we used to have the data centers or we used to have the physical location where organization used to maintain the servers. Okay. Now, this cloud-based is the 100% or ultimately it is a virtual base. There is no physical to maintain the any servers. It is 100% it a virtual ERP, virtual cloud base. Okay, no, not required any server based in the particular physical location. Now, if there is anything happens, suppose natural calamities, any earthquakes, anything happens, then no need to worry because this entirely virtual based, cloud based. Okay. Now, earlier ERP application, if you observe, let's take about Tally, okay, and any Excels, okay, and SAP, and there are so many ERP applications. But earlier, we used to download the software application. download the software application into our system. Okay, we have to download particular software into our system. Then only we have to start using that particular application. Now, cloud-based, especially in cloud, you are not going to download or install any software application into your system. You will use the URL link, then you start using the particular application. There is not required any software application to use the Oracle Fusion application, a cloud-based ERP application, especially. Now, why we have to choose our career as an Oracle Fusion financial consultant, or why Oracle Fusion is having huge demand in the global wise? Okay, simple thing. Let's take an example, live example. Old, new. If you observe, now I am going with the movie, okay, black and white. I am going with the black and white. Now 4K, Ultra, Dolby. Okay. Now I have one question. In this, now there are two options available. Okay. Black and white screens are available. 4K, Ultra, Dolby available. Now, which one you will choose as your current in a situation, as a person, as a technology improved? Now, do you want to use your technology as a old technology, or you want to use the current trending technology which has the growth? Okay, we always use the current technology, not as a old technology, old pattern. We always adopt the new technology with the features or functional. What is the functionalities available? And one more, if you take about Android mobile and iPhone, this is your dream. iPhone is your every person has a dream now. It is a status wise, prestige wise, dream of your purchasing your iPhone. Simple thing. In ERP applications also, Oracle Fusion Financial is having the huge demand because it has so many features, advanced features. Okay, like so many functionalities available, and it is a single platform. It is a single platform like financials, okay, SCM, HCM, product. You can use all this as in a single platform. Whereas earlier, all the companies used to have the multiple ERP application. One person financial, they used to have the PeopleSoft, SCM they used to have the like blockchain, and HCM they used to have some other Workday. So now Oracle as the Oracle Fusion is having the only single platform where the business can run their day-to-day operations in a single platform without using any other application. That's why Oracle is a user-friendly application. We go with the user-friendly application. User-friendly application. Where it is in the higher demand and very simple to use. Now, how can we use, suppose if you are a new person, you are not aware of anything about the Oracle Fusion application. If you are using your mobile, okay, if you are using your mobile and day to day in your life, and if you are aware of the settings in your mobile, everyone is having the settings, then based on the settings only you will operate your mobile functionalities. Am I right? Suppose there is a Wi-Fi, there is a two SIMs, SIM 1, SIM 2. If you want to use your data from SIM 2, you can on and off. If you want to use your calls from SIM 1, you will keep it as a SIM 1. Okay. If you want to use your contacts hide, you can use on and off. Set like any third party application, if you want to and install and like download, you will keep it off or on. So this is the day to day activities you use your mobile. Same like Fusion application also same thing. It is a navigation based simple thing. You have to know the navigation where you have to go and see and find out. That much easier that Fusion application is having. I think everybody is using your mobile, Android or iPhone, whatever it may be. Can you respond?
Yes, yes.
So very simple. That application is very, very simple. We'll be going through the application as well. Simple. Okay. Now, this Oracle Fusion application, out of 500 fortunate, we always talk about the fortunate companies. 500. I think everybody remember 500 fortunate companies. Already 180 companies are using out of these 500. Okay. That much speed growth is having the Oracle Fusion. Now, if you know about Swiggy, everybody is aware of the Swiggy app, Swiggy
Yes,
company.
yes.
Okay. Sneha Chicken Center, anybody? Sneha Chicken Center. Apollo, anybody remember
Yes.
Apollo Hospital? So, if you remember these three, if you go to any like go to abroad, any other countries, not with the like Asian countries, okay? If you go to outside, nobody is known these applications like these companies. They might be Apollo, only rare. But think about this Sneha Chicken Center, how smaller this one, smaller scale business compared to the old wide, global wise. But they are all opted to the Oracle Fusion Finance for the billing. Use of chicken center, poultry farms. So every client, every business, now they are running behind they're ready to move to the Oracle Fusion application from their legacy ERP, other what they were using the ERP application. They want to move to Oracle application, Oracle Fusion application. Okay, so much demand is there. Now, global product, this Oracle Fusion application is a global product, and we have the global opportunities around the globe. In all other countries, you have the opportunities. Okay, and high demand in the Middle East countries. Let's take about Dubai. Okay, where we have the high demand. Like it is like every month there are a couple of people who went to the Dubai. They're earning like 5 LP monthly, and there is no tax. 5 LP monthly, no tax in Middle East countries. Always think about whenever you have the demand, we have to understand about supply and demand. Supply is high, demand is less for other application, other ERP application. Now, competition. Very, very high. Let's take about SAP only. Now, SAP is a good product. We are not judging that product. It's been like 35 years in the market. Now, most of the people, every student, every graduate has been already completed this SAP trainings. They're ready for the jobs. But what is exactly in the market? If there are 10 openings, okay, if there are demand is for 10 openings. Now we are getting 1 lakh application. So it is very tough for you to get your opportunity. where there is only less demand. Come to Oracle Fusion. Same applicable supply demand. Demand we have 100, supply only 10 we have. Okay. Less supply, high demand. Okay. Less competition. Zero coding. Global product. Global opportunities. Remote opportunities, work from home, and salary, especially salary. Like starting salary is like if you are a 5+ years of experience, you will get a chance of 20 LP. If you have, we have the one session, one tab is there, I will show you. Okay. So that's why we are going, people are, there is a high demand, but there is no supply, struggling. Skill set is very, very important. Okay. Now let's move to ER. Now simple, one second. Okay, let me go to this course one, how we can enroll, how you can start. So course duration is a 2 months duration. Okay, mode we have online, offline, and specialty basic plus advanced. You will learn in the 2 months duration whatever the required for the corporate, whatever the required for the particular jobs. Okay, you will learn the basic plus advanced in the 2 months. Okay, and mode of sessions we have the online, offline. We can opt for online, offline, and we have the physical institute where you can come and practice. You can have the discussion. Okay, everything you can have it. 40 sessions, 40 hours we have, and we have recorded session. Drive access will be given immediately. Materials we have already prepared. You no need to prepare any material, no need to struggle. These are the materials we prepare module wise so that you will have very, very comfortable while you are learning. Okay. Next we have pre-practice instance. This is very, very most important. If you go to any other institutes, compare with the instance, you learn anywhere, but practice makes very, very important. So we provide free instance, that is a 10 days refreshed instance. Without you ask, we'll provide. Okay. And we have one more free demo plus 3 live sessions. You can attend 2 demos and 3 live sessions. Means regular classes you cannot, anybody can attend. After you are okay, you can enroll into the course. You can learn this course and it is, you are able to understand the subject, whatever I am going to explain you. And most important, real-time subject. You should have the real-time subject with you. Nowadays, everything is a real-time. Now the days are gone with the theory part. Only scenario-based trainings. Okay, and you compare the same sessions with any YouTube channels, any other friend, any institute, you compare and you enroll into any institute. But just update me wherever you are. Don't update me like your institute name, just update me, then it will be very easy for me, like no need to follow. That much open challenge we are able to give. The real time, where the real time is missing in other institutes. That's what we started our institute as a motto. As a motto, we started independently, the student has to crack. Okay. Now, what are the modules we are going to cover? Okay. Modules covered like general ledger, AP, AR accounts receivable, cash management, fixed assets. General ledger used for the financial reporting purpose entirely, and accounts payable, suppliers, invoice and payments, account receivable, customers and receipts, cash management, banks, fixed assets. For assets, we will use it. These are the modules we are going to cover. Okay, and we are going to cover everything, but you should be very uh, highly you should be very practice, or you should like explore, you should be very good with the three modules. What is general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, or general ledger, accounts payable, cash management. Any three modules you can crack your job independently, because as a reality, as a consultant, you are not going to work on all the modules until unless you are a senior person, senior consultant, like 10 plus years, then only you are going to work on all these modules in your real time. In a real time, you may work on the two modules, you may work on the one module, you may work on the three modules. It depends on the project, it depends on the organization. Okay. Now, regular batches, we have morning and evening, we have regular batches. Monday to Friday, we have regular sessions. Saturday, doubts clearing session. This is very important, where you have to come to institute. If you are able to come to institute, we have a dedicated mentors. We have a dedicated mentors for the doubts clearing and practice help. I will be in the institute. We have the senior people who will be in institute, who will be helping you. Like we are like, our institute specialization is like, we will be beside you. We will help you till you get your job. We are not promising you 100% job guarantee, but we are promising you until you write, until you practice, until you get your knowledge, then that is our responsibility. Now, every Sunday you will have the assignment, and these assignments you need to attend. Without attending assignments, without attending regular session, doubt sessions, then it is very difficult to crack your job independently. You may crack your job by taking support, but survival will be very difficult. Okay, and we have licensed Zoom available 24/7. There is a separate Zoom ID. Anybody can enroll in that session, and you can ask your friends, you can ask your mentors, and you can directly or indirectly, offline, online, you can reach out to the dedicated mentors, and you can have the sessions. Like, you want to practice, then you are stuck with somewhere, you are not able to move on, you got an issue, then you need some more clarity, then ask, reach out to the mentors, and mentors will be available by all. We 24/7. Let me put out a honest and exact hours of our training, our institute. Let me put 18 hours in a day we will be available. Myself and my mentors, morning 7 a.m. to night 1:30 or 2 a.m. we will be available. That is what we planned it. Availability of trainer or mentors are very important. Okay, and we have WhatsApp group. You can ping any message anytime regarding your doubts, regarding your my availability, mentors availability, any issues, you can directly ping. There is no control, or there is no stop. You can immediately message, you can immediately call as well. Okay, now this is a regular batch, morning and evening we have. Now we have weekend batch. Weekend batch, Saturday, Sunday, morning, evening, we will cover 6 hours in a week. Where regular batch also, we will cover 6 hours in a week. Then you are equal to the regular batch. Why this weekend batch came means, for the working professionals. Okay, who are like working professional, they get enrolled into the weekend batch. We are already current batch, we will be starting soon, like next week. then you can also enroll into weekend batch. Same, you will be in the same page, you will be in the same track. Whatever the regular batch is happening, the weekend batch also is completing 6 hours in a week, where you are going to complete your course within the 2 months only. Okay. Now, last one, crash course. Crash course is like those who are already completed the course outside Udemy, whatever you call it. Okay. And struggling for real-time scenario-based training to crack the job independently. Then we have the crash course. It is already available now in the night time. Morning also we are planning to start it. It is like 15 days. How many days? 15 days. Okay. Especially this is like already completed. And what you learn in these 15 days, it is not like directly you join. I take mock session. If you pass mock session only, we'll enroll to the crash course. If you are not able to pass this mock session, I'll suggest for the regular batches or weekend batch. Still, you need this crash course means then we have some condition that you have to follow. Because my time is whatever you invest your time, I need to invest more than your time. We have already current batches are 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. night. That is for the abroad people, US, okay, Australia. There are a couple of abroad people who are already enrolled in the crash course. They have completed their regular training like 4 or 5 months. But after taking a mock session, what I suggested, that is not a crash. Like for them, it is not a crash course. I have started with the scratch again. From end to end, I am started. Crash course is like helping the real time. You need to clear your interviews. Okay. Next one. 100% job assisted. Okay. Resume preparation, mock sessions, referrals we have, proper guidance will provide. Okay. And one of the unique specialization of the Cloud Finance Guru, we are going to launch soon, that we are in the process providing freelancing opportunities. Our candidate, institute candidates, suppose there is a candidate who completed the course, okay, and starting for the applying the jobs, okay. Meanwhile, if there is any freelancing opportunity, we will post in the group. See, there is a one freelancing opportunity, whether is a 5+ years, 10+years, 3+year, 2+year. Then based on that, we'll have the mark session. I will take the mark session. If you are able to clear that mark session, then we are going to hand over a project for you as a real-time consultant, where you can work until you get your MNC job. Then you will have the real-time hands-on work experience. And we are the one, like myself and my dedicated mentors will be with you, and they will guide you to work on the particular project. Then you will have the real-time exposure where you can grab your job opportunities. Okay. Once you start working in the freelancing, then after 1 month or 2 months, you will have the so much confidence, you will have the so much real-time exposure, and your readiness will be more than 100%, where you can crack your job in any organization. Means real-time hands-on experience, real-time project. You will have everything, but it opportunity only will create. Pay will be very less. Pay will be very, very less. That we are going to offer like 30K per month. Okay. Like you have to work 10 hours. Okay. And you have to come to institute only. We'll have the laptop where from the client only. Then we'll help you. You will learn real time. 30K will be given. This 30K also very, very important, because there are so many candidates who are like unemployed. Okay. And if you get any opportunity, you can move from this freelancing opportunity. You focus on your main job. Then this freelancing opportunity will be handed over to the one more candidate after taking the mock session. That's what where we are uniqueness in the CFG, where the any institute, anywhere you go and find. We want our students to crack their jobs and survival of job without any interview support or job support. For job support nowadays 50K, 40K every month. So that's what I'm telling you. Skill set is very, very important. Now nowadays they are not looking your educational qualification. Minimum degree is enough. They're not asking any PhDs, double PhD, anything. They are not even asking. Regular graduation enough. If you have the skill set of the particular skill set, then they are ready to pay. If you have the proper candidate, organizations are ready to pay you because there is a high demand. Okay, there is no supply as of now. Remember now, as we said, job assistant, as we said, there is no proper interview support, but when it comes to interview support, let me take out this one. Okay, we will be giving you interview support. Okay, and moreover, not encourageable, but in some situations where there are few candidates where they are very good with the application. They have the end-to-end application knowledge, but there are people, candidates who are not able to deliver the subject. At the time, we are ready to help you because in the real time, you are not going to do any demonstration. It is a rare situation. You are mostly going to work on the application level. If you are good with the application, then we are here to help you to clear your interviews. That is a separate process. We are talking offline, but our training help you to crack your job. This is a sometimes some candidates will have the luck also, unluck. Luck favors, sometimes luck doesn't favor. So at the time, we will help you. And we have, as we already spoke, survival of job without job support. You can survive your job without any dependent of the job support. Okay. Now, salary ranges, very, very important. Anybody who is learning something, who is moving from non-IT to IT, anything, our end goal is our income. Okay. If you have 3 years of experience, then you will get at least 9 lakhs per annum. Oracle Fusion consultant. Okay. 5 to 8 years, you can expect 16 LP to 28 LP. 10 to 15 years experience, you can expect 30 LP to 45 LP. And moreover, it is depends on the your skill set end of the day. Okay. Now, these are the things we are going to cover, and these are the fun like instructions or guidance, whatever you call it. We are very, very strict about our timelines, and moreover, scheduling. 60 days timetable for working employees, 60 days timetable for non-working employees. Okay. Every day, working employee has to keep minimum 3 hours, excluding session time. Means other than attending our regular session, you have to keep 3 hours in the consistency. You have to practice, you have to watch recording session, whatever you call it. 3 hours is minimum. Every day, Saturday, Sunday, 4 hours. For non-working employees, we are asking 6 hours in a day, maximum 8 hours. You don't have any other work. Your work or your goal should be getting your job after 2 months or 3 months of your course. Then dedicatedly you have to sit and practice. You have to connect with our mentors. You have to connect with me. You have to attend the regular session. You have to explore more and more. Then it is possible to get it your job. Without time investment, without consistency, without practice, it is very, very impossible. When it is possible, you follow our guidelines. You put your time investment. You keep your consistency. You work hard. Then the result will be there. Don't expect any shortcuts. Don't try to do any shortcuts. If you try for shortcuts, definitely it is like only for shorter time. do your hard work with a honest dedication, then there will be longer time. You will have your confidence, you will have your skill set, everything will be with you. Okay? Now, simple thing, SaaS, PaaS, as. Now, we are using the SaaS product. Oracle Fusion is a SaaS product. Simple example, you can see, you order your biryani, you don't have to worry about cooking. Ingredients are the kitchen. Now, Fusion application is the same thing. You are not going to do anything, whatever it is like a simple thing where whatever they have designed, you are going to use it. No need to worry. Now, once you order your biryani, you no need to worry. The biryani will come. You no need to worry about the gas. You no need to worry about the ingredients, taste, everything. Simple, it will come. Your biryani will come. You will taste it. Whereas PaaS, you take your kitchen rental. Someone provides you with a ready-to-use kitchen. You just focus on making a biryani itself. Then you have to your involvement is there. Now, as renting an empty kitchen space, you have to bring all your own appliances and do all the cooking. These are like older methods, older ERP applications. Still, there are many organizations using the PaaS. SaaS is a cloud-based and trending SaaS product is a they designed it, organization will use it. Okay. Now let's go to few things. Drive access will be given to immediately. Okay. There is see our institute motto is you should understand the concepts. You should understand the subject. Once you are adapting the subject, once you are able to understand whatever we are training you, whatever we are going through the session, then it is worthy of you enrolling into the course. Okay. So you need to be very, very clear. Simple example I will tell you. Now you need to buy dress or maybe let's take about shoes. Now honestly you can tell me 2000, let's take about 2000. How many shops you will go in Hyderabad to purchase these two things? Let's take about you go to Koti or you go to Dilsupnar, DSNR, okay? Anywhere you go to. How many shops you will go? Do you go to only one shop or do you visit multiple shops and you select one dress and you'll purchase? Shoes also. Can you answer anybody? You have the options. You have the multiple options. Until unless you satisfy, then only you will purchase. Same thing I am telling you. What we are telling you, our institute is telling, attend 2 demos, attend 3 sessions, compare with any institute with a real-time subject, then choose your institute for your career. We are not asking a single penny, single rupee from you. Let's decide your career with which institute, which course where you are able to understand, then only enroll. Then start your day one as a dedicated and end with your like course or whatever you call it with a job. We are there to help you. Okay. For 2000 only, you are going to take so many decisions in your life. So many time investment you will do it to purchase. But now think about your career. Career is one of the most important in your life. Am I right? Can you answer me, please? Moreover, I don't like any silence in the sessions. Our institute, myself, my training is like totally different. Always we have the interactions. Every 5 minutes we have to interact. There is no call that within the 2 months, 60 days, the course has to complete. I need to take everyday sessions. No, I won't take sessions every day. Until unless you perfect with the previous sessions. Previous sessions, whatever, suppose first week you completed 5 sessions. Then Monday is the one where I ask in the live sessions. Are you completed your first 5 sessions? Have you practiced in the instance? Are you able to understand? Then only I'll move to the next session. Otherwise, Monday will have the overview sessions. That's what we are going. You can see the drive access. Okay. Now we can go to, these are the folders. You will have real-time mock interviews, interview, GL, documents, demos. All this access will be given. If you go to GL, you can observe so many day-to-day action, day-to-day recording session. Now, if you go to ninth session, you can see overview discussion by students. Everything will be recorded because I will review once again whether you both are 3 members, 4 members, whether you are discussing in a right way, right subject or not. Then I will review and inform you. I'll update you. See, these are the points you discuss. That is not a right point. This is how you have to deliver your subject. Always try to communicate in English. In interview, you have to attend your interview in English, not in any other language. Okay? And documents will, this is our course we are going to offer. We prepared this, I will send you. Simple way. We have interview questions, everything, but as I told you earlier, everything is a scenario based. Okay? And we have the materials. We have prepared in such a way you can understand very easy with the screenshots. With the navigation, with the end-to-end process we have prepared with our institute logos, we kept these materials to prepare. We have taken so much time. How, as a fresher, as experience, anybody can, just by seeing this document, you can practice. Without any dedicated mentor also, you can able to practice. That much we have flexibility we have created. Now, if you observe client requirements, okay, every module will have the two client requirements where it will help you to in interview. Client requirements like implementation project, support project, very important. These are the like real-time subject. Okay, and we have the questions, assignments. If you observe, this is like February, January batch. Okay, GL assignment responses. Okay, you can see individual wise also, you can see so many are there. You have to write down. And if you observe, let me show you. See here, client requirement. Whatever we discussed in the sessions, that only we are going to give an assignments. Okay. Now, let me go to the application. This is an URL you will have, then you will have the application where you can just log in with the username and password. You need to log in. This is the home page and this is the navigator. Setup and maintenance you'll find here. We are in a financials. Okay. So there is some issue with the instance. That's why the screen is very audible. Let me correct it. So these are the navigator. You can find out the navigator here. Navigator. These are the modules you can see. And these are the configuration where you configure your functionalities here. And this is a taskbar. Okay. And you can go to home button. Okay, you can see procurement. Okay, and you can see order management. You can see supply chain management. You can see payables, general accounting. Okay, if you go to payables, you can see the invoice payments. You can go to general accounting journals. If you go to cash management, banks. If you go to receivables, I think roles are not the same. So this is a friendly application, nothing to worry about. Okay, and we have the dashboards as well, infolets we have, so many are there available. Okay, order to cash infolets, let's try. How friendly application is, that much friendly application. Okay, and this is a functional side we are going to learn. Okay, and see, as we discussed, okay, you choose your institute, you choose your course, but day one, how you start your course is like you should be like 60 or 70 days, should be very, very with the same dedication, the same way you have to practice for your goal. To achieve anything, there should be consistency. Okay, that's what I ask our student. Please be focused on your goal. Don't deviate. Okay, and moreover, just let me give you. You can find out few feedbacks also. Let me show you. See, one of the candidate recently got a job in the topmost companies in two companies. Okay, and there is one candidate as mentioned this one. I told you that other institution will not say live projects. 1 hour we have to sit idle until the session is complete. This particular candidate already completed a course in two institutes. Recently, he got it. This candidate is different, this candidate is different. This candidate, before this candidate got the job. From non-IT to IT, he moved it, 13 LP package. And if you observe, okay, my Instagram postage are no fakes. See, we cannot fake few things. See, these kind of messages, we cannot fake it. We cannot, like template wise, we cannot take. So this is a non-IT guy. This is a Telugu version. You can read out. If there are any Telugu people, you can see it. Bookla చెప్తున్నా clear cut. So that is why my motto is to understand the subject, not with the how many years of experience, not with the brand. Content is very, very important. Now there are superstars. They are the like a brand, but every film is a their content based only. If the film is having the good content story, then only it will be blockbuster. Then brand is there, but end of that is very important to see session. We cannot fake anything. You can see this sir, okay, this particular sir is a 20 years of experience in a CA candidate sir. Completed 1 year course outside, now struggling for the real time. Now he enrolled in the session, like in our batch. Okay, real time, where he enrolled for the only real time. You can observe my social media where you can see. And one more referral from the abroad. One candidate got from 3 to 8.2 recently. The session is too helpful. I got one picture about everything, already working as a consultant, but still there is a lack of subject knowledge. Still, she is attending. See, already listen to other institution videos, but in between we can't ask doubts in the middle. At the end of the day class, if you have any doubts, ask me, says trainer. People, how they will ask, they will forget and keep same. If you don't have any interaction, definitely we will forget it. You can observe there are so many feedbacks in the, and this lady got the 20 LP. Okay, 20 LP fixed salary. And she's an abroad candidate. Like I will follow so much. You can see. Thank you, sorry, I have not been active. I'll attend the regular. Okay, I'll sit and finish. Your classes are, I did not ask any feedback if you observe here. Okay, because it's my responsible. I said it. Your class are really good and your explanation makes it super easy too. She has already completed the course outside. And see, 24 LP package. You can see so many, and there are one more candidate. Okay, there is no, like we cannot fake any such a like, see, you can see so much. Such a false statements, we are not going to provide anything. Okay, just I wanted to show you how we can observe my Instagram, every day there is something. Whatever I get from the WhatsApp, you can see. This madam has spent 5 lakhs for this course outside. She enrolled for the real time. Then now she is almost completed her final round of the interview. She is waiting for the results. See, I got a feeling that I am working. But now I am learned with the real good experience, the real scenarios. See, previously, I don't know why we are doing this just like a process learned. There are so many things that we can see. Same feeling. See, even the same feeling when I am learning real time. Thanks, bro, for a detailed statement. If I have got you in lockdown time, everybody is aware of what happened exactly in lockdown. I could have placed as a consultant in MNC with my experience. Finally, I got you in the Instagram. Now this person already placed it now. చూడండి మనం see if you are Telugu candidates you can understand there are so many Telugu candidates who are there. There is no fake or false statements. I am not going to make it. Okay. Now this is how you can, and moreover if you go to chart section, can you go to chart section? There is one link I have shared. Can you click on that one? Can you join in that? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Can you join in this group? Tomorrow we have one more session. Okay, we have the continuous session. We are not going to break up the sessions based on your availability. We'll take it. Now, can you enroll in this? Log into this WhatsApp group so that I will have your details to contact you. Anyway, I'm going to provide my contact number. Okay, you can please before that. Can you move into this group so that we'll have the interactions? My WhatsApp number, my contact number. This is how 9059161853. Instagram ID also same. Now, any questions you can ask me. If you have any questions, then we can go ahead. There is so much to discuss. That's what I stopped somewhere. There is still we have to discuss about subject. If I start today, then it will take 2 hours or 3 hours. So I want to break the sessions so that you will understand. First, you understood what requirements, how structure will be, what institution, okay, how application is it. That's what I make into the application as well. I showed you drive, assignments, materials. These are the first priority. Then slowly subject. Tomorrow we'll start with the subject. Navigation we came. Now in that, what are the modules we told you? Like these 5 modules we told you. These 5 modules. Then we'll explore these 5 modules also so that you will understand one by one. Then we have some more like data. We have what is SAS, what is PAS. Tomorrow I'll explain you. Okay. Not only tomorrow, whenever you have the, and what are the roles we have, consultants, again packages, and we have the approvals where we can use it. There's so project types we have, ticketing tools, okay, data migration, integrations. This all things we'll discuss in a next session. But let me have any questions. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Or you can also reach out to me or WhatsApp, or you can call me anytime. Whatever we are going to promise, 2 demo sessions, 3 regular live sessions. You can start your career after that. You can select it based on your like whatever you are able to understand. Then if it fits for you, these 5 days also, okay, before paying single rupee, we are going to give this instance, free instance. We are going to give this drive access. So we want our like our materials, our learning sessions, or we are going to give a free so that you will have the like demo, like we all have the one overview, whether you are able to understand. Before you join regular batches, you will have the one overview of the present or old batches sessions. You will have one advantage. Suppose now there is a suppose there is a GL. Now May batch, if I'm going to start from maybe somewhere, you can complete your first session here. And you will be in advanced where we can attend the same session. Okay, and it is a revised type. And we have e-learning facility also. E-learning means you will purchase, you will take the subscription, e-learning videos, okay, and you can also attend live sessions, any batch. You can also attend live session. You can take the e-learning subscription and you can also attend live session, any batch, whatever the comfortable or convenient time for you. Okay. So if any questions, let me know any questions if you have.
Yes, sir.
You can ask me, can you louder? I'm not able to hear you.
Oh, can you hear me right now?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you louder, little more?
Yeah, is it better right now?
Yeah.
So what are the timings of the class for the weekdays?
Yeah, timings. Let me give you a honest timing so that you can understand. So regular batch. Okay. Regular batch. Morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. This is the slot we have. Now one more 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. slot we have. This one morning. Now evening. Evening we have 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. And weekend like 9 to 10:30. And we have 6 to 7:30. Like this is like Saturday and Sunday. And we have crash course. That is 11 p.m. to approximately 12:30 a.m. As of now, these are available. Let me give you one more. Yeah, these are the slots we have available, sir. As of now, for the future, like upcoming batches, like May batches.
Batch eప్పుడు start అవుతుంది?
See, batch will be, now let me give you like date as well so that you will be aware of. One second. Let me check my calendar. So I want to start this batch, like I want to continue this demo session with the like continuity, like what is your everyone, what is your time, convenient time, so that I will complete as per institute promise, as per 2 demo sessions plus 3 live sessions, 5 sessions, so that I will fix that particular time for you. Then if you are okay, then you will move on. What is your convenient for everyone? What is your right time, so that I will fix it that time. So tomorrow also we can connect it. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you can decide yourself. Okay, that is an ongoing batch only. Then you will have the clarity. Now you can select whether you want to be enroll in the course or you can move on. So that I will have the clarity. Like it will be like Monday. You can take as a Monday, sir, 11th. That is how batch already started, but Monday onwards it will be there. Purely it will be Monday. Before that, we need to connect like 3 to 4 sessions. You can tell me anytime so that it will be better fit for everyone. Can
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
What is the time for these 3 sessions, 3 or 4 sessions you are conducting from tomorrow, right? So what is the timings for that?
I am not fixing. I am asking you, all of you, what is your convenient time?
Okay.
You tell me so that
So
we can see.
for me it is better time in the evening because I'm a working woman. So
Okay.
it is better for me after 5:30 p.m. onwards.
Okay. Everybody, can we fix that 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.? It depends on you, so I'm not forcing. Can we go ahead 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.?
Bala, is it a regular batch then?
Yes, yes, yes. See, you can opt any batch. It is a regular
No,
batch.
no, because we are only 4 people. Okay, so
Yeah.
so that is what I'm thinking. If it is a regular batch, I'm okay, and 8 p.m. is okay for me.
It is regular batch only. I think who is that? See, don't
Yeah.
ignore about the people, sir. Okay. Now,
Okay.
one person also. I have started with the one
Okay.
person. Okay.
Okay.
Even there is no one person also. I have the time investment where I explore and I suggest people to watch the particular sessions. Because
Okay.
what I'm doing is my current like my end of my goal is like by 2026 December 31st, whatever people are coming to institute, like who are enrolling, they have
Okay.
to crack their jobs. Simple one or 2%, it is not a matter for me.
Okay.
If you're a one person, then I will take session. If you're 2%, I will take session. It's not like I will merge in another batch. Suppose what will happen, sir? If there is only one person, what other institute will do? They will merge with the current batches.
Yeah,
Where
that is what happening because of
no
less
no
people,
no
they
no
may tend to postpone sessions or merge in the other groups. So that
no
will
no no
take time. That is the I'm just
no.
taking. Yeah.
See, this institute, what we placed it because of the outside, everything we have researched like 2 years, then we started. We don't want students to waste their career, waste their times. So we are like dedicated mentors we have, dedicated people we have who can respond like in a fraction of seconds. You can test me anytime, you can observe multiple times, you can observe your mentors, you can like you can test the mentor's patience, you can test the trainer patience. That much assurance we can provide, because availability is very very important, sir. See, if the
Yeah.
trainer and mentors are available, then your job, your course will be very very easy to learn anything. It is a regular batch only. You can opt for 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can opt for morning. After completing 3 or 4 sessions, you can decide. So can we confirm 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow? Is it okay?
Yeah. Fine for me.
Yeah. Can you all
Yeah, it's
can you all please join in that group so that we'll have we'll post it exact Zoom link, everything will post it there. I think in the chart I have placed it. I will join. Anybody join?
yes. I have sent the request.
Okay, 1 second. Let me. 2 members have requested. Okay. Done. Okay. Can you all others also join, please?
Bala, I don't see the message in Zoom my chat box. So did you send it in WhatsApp or?
No, no. Let me send you. Yeah.
Yeah, now I got it.
Yeah. Done.
So I just requested. Okay.
Yeah, done. Yeah. So make sure we see whatever we are going to learn, it is like not a big subject. Subject wise is very vast, but end of the day, whatever the corporate required, we are going to learn. That's what I'm stressing about the real time scenarios, real time exposure we should have, so that it is very very easy for you to crack the jobs. Until unless you have the real time exposure, then only it is possible. And moreover, and honestly I can tell you, the current batch, older batches, whoever enroll in the our batches like in the CFG Cloud Finance Guru, already well experienced candidates, well high level profiles we have, like more chartered accountants, architectures. Okay, so they have the very very high profiles, but now it's time to move them like longer period they are working it. Okay, less salaries, very very higher profiles we have, so we can interact each other, we can help each other. See, outside people are like not ready to help each other. Like everybody is selfish. Transfer your knowledge to your colleagues. It will definitely end of the day. If not you, your kids will get that payoff. I will assure that one. That's what I do. Helping nature should be there. Whatever you learn, help someone in your current batch, in your colleagues, so that somewhere you will find some your payoff. God will give you. And knowledge transfer is now there is a everything is like money minded, money. We are not going the money. Learn something. Are you worthy? Then only you enroll it. We are not going to chase for the payments like money. Now our like uniqueness that we want to place it like we want our students to crack the jobs. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to start our session 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. We'll have the overview session as well. Moreover, like we'll have the overview sessions like demo session tomorrow, and we'll start with the one overview session of the financials. Then we'll start with our instance. But meanwhile, you can send me your email IDs, okay, so that I will give the access, materials, recordings. It's depend on you how you utilize your 1 week free of access. That is how assurance I can give you. I'm not going to take off the access unless you come up with me that you are interested. 1 week it will be free of access. You can like access all the batches. Whatever we have batches, you can access materials, assignments, you can access it. But trustworthy, as a trustworthy trust base, I'm giving you. But utilize in a proper way, like without sharing to anyone, utilize it so that it will help you understand the concepts so that it will be very useful for you. Okay, so any questions you can ping me personally, you can call me also, so that we'll have one place to understand the subject. So moreover, we are going with the only subject. We are not going into deviation anything. Subject wise, ever you are perfect with the subject, definitely there is a 99.99% of opportunity you will get it by completing 3 months, like 2 months course, 1 month explorer. So there are so many opportunities. You can check in Google supply versus demand so that you will understand what is the high demand for the Oracle Fusion. Okay. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Happy weekend. Nice. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, thank you, Bala.
This session will be placed in the one drive, May batch. Then give me your mail address. This session also will be available.